me Steph and welcome back to another video. If you couldn't tell, I am in a different room. This is because I traveled from Dubai to Romania because of this COVID-19 situation. So we're quarantining right now in my room. We've actually decided to move all our stuff all the way from Dubai to here. So today, to make use of this quarantine life, I'm going to unpack the boxes that are downstairs and organize it in my room. So let's get right into it.
Sauce.
Here are the boxes. I think I need help. Box number 1. By the way, I'm gonna be watching How I Met Your Mother. Speedy montage time. So I'm done with the first box, and most of the stuff I'm going to keep up. Most of the stuff I'm going to keep up in the attic, and I've actually found some notebooks I could use, and the rest were my mom's. So on to the next box. It's slipping. I'm filming this, by the way. Oh. Box number 2. Got any others? My painting ripped. No. Okay, so update of the second box. It's a mess, but it's organized. So these are all my stuff that I'm gonna keep in my room, maybe. These are the stuff I'm gonna put in the attic, my mom's stuff, and stuff I need to put downstairs. And it's all clear, but except these stuff. I'm gonna keep these stuff until I finish every single box, and then I'm gonna organize them into my room. So on to the next box. Wait, 1. Oh, my shoe! Okay, leave it. 2. Box numero 3. By the way, I changed into shorts because it was getting really hot. Box number 3 had a lot of my stuff. I've got a lot of work to do. On to the next one.
I could getting something else. I'm curious.
Box number 4. Finished unpacking box number 4, and I gotta fix this mess. So let's go. So here's my plan. So this bed actually has got storage compartments inside, and this is filled with stuffed animals. This one's filled with camera things and cables. This one's filled with exercise equipment and some other random things. And the last compartment I keep bed sheets and pillows. So I'm thinking of putting all those stuffed animals in there and up in the attic. Okay, so now that it's completely empty, it's time to fill it up with this mess. So my plan is to fill this up with like books and DIY things. I'm so tired. Change of plans. I'm just gonna stuff everything in their compartments, and then I'm gonna organize them afterwards. cleared the whole bed, but the compartments inside are quite messy, and the rest of my room is too. But I'm gonna finish sorting out my room after I unpack box number 5. The final box. Box number 5, right? This box is actually full of trophies that I'm gonna try to fit in there. If not, I'm gonna try to fit it all in these shelves too. I kindly ask you to get off. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I took out all my trophies from that box and from there and separated them into second place and first place, and glass and medals. And now I'm gonna organize them and put them back in there. Okay, you went up there. Come out! Stay here. Finally finished putting all the trophies in there, and some of them didn't fit, so I put them there and up there. Now I'm gonna go upstairs and organize the drawers. I'm finally done. This took more than 5 hours. I'm gonna go crazy. I hope you found this organizing video satisfying and fun to watch, cause it took a while. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos this period. This is because I'm stuck at home. So you guys can comment down below any video ideas, because that will surely help. So I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, and washing your hands. So see you guys in the next video. Bye!